Hi, my name is Jose, and I'm not the devil, but I will talk to you about the art of the dancing devil of Yare. Do you know that in Venezuela there are dancing devils? The dancing devil of Yare, or what is called in Spanish Los Diablos Danzantes de Yare, is a festival based on a religious ritual observed during Holy Thursday in Yare, a city in Miranda State, Venezuela. This festival is popular and people all over the country travel to Yare to watch and participate in the festival. What people love is the amazing art of the mask and the costumes of this festival. This ritual is actually one of the oldest Catholic practices in Venezuela. It is a devotion for San Francisco of Paula dating back to the 1800s. In the 1800s, people were very religious. They prayed for almost everything. For example, farmers prayed for rain and promised to commemorate San Francisco of Paula by having a festival if it rained. Well, it must have rained because the festival has been observed since that time. As I mentioned earlier, the masks and costumes are the artistic side of the event. The masks are created by the town people of Yare. The design and creation of the mask begins a few days after the festival has ended. Therefore, it takes almost an entire year to plan, design, and create these well-crafted masks. The masks are made of paper mache, clay, drywall, and deer horn. They are painted colorfully with glossy paints, enamels, and acrylics. Here are an unpainted mask, and here is a gorgeous mask finally crafted by artisan in Yare. The cost of the mask goes between $20 and $80. I have never been in Yare for the festival. I wish I could be there one Holy Thursday and enjoy the dancing devil of Yare. I wish I could someday wear a mask and be part of the religious ritual, which symbolizes the defeat of evil by good. Here's a short video of the dancing devil.